All right, day 11 of my road to consistency. We are gonna go ahead and check news. 1 p.m. I'm not gonna be in by that time. So, today's gonna be a pretty quick day for me because I need to be somewhere soon. Whoa! Why are we opening a bunch of command centers or control consoles? I'm gonna go down to the 30-minute. We're gonna see. Ooh, we did end up sweeping. Oh, never mind. That's the same low from yesterday. Came back up. What did we close as? We did close bearish. I want Wednesday to be bullish. We're gonna go into trade of 8. Oh my god, I hate this. Give me a second. Gotta log in. Can't show everybody my login. Although probably nobody's watching this. All right. So now we're going to be looking at scene. We're going to be on 20 and then cues. We are on the group. Okay, and then I'm going to go down to the 30-minute. We're actually going to wait. Yeah, we're going to wait because there's potential that because we hit this order block here, we come lower, right? Because this is a higher time frame order block. We're going to wait to see what happens. Because I still do want to see bullishness, so we might come down into the 50% around here, which is just below the sell side liquidity. Yeah. I need water and breakfast really badly. Hopefully we can catch a trade in like right now. A bearish trade. That way I can go get some water and and all that extra shit. Am I in the 1 minute? How do I switch time frames on this thing? I don't know how to switch time frames on this thing. Okay, I'm gonna just go. Done. Oh wow. The second I go for it. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab breakfast real quick. I'll be right back. Oh, I just yanked my whole fucking charger. I'll be right back. All right. Breakfast attained. only target realistically like this much. I need a strong bearish candle. We're getting a couple of weak bullish candles, but I really need a strong bearish candle to break past this low. In fact, I'm going to change this to 5. And I'm going to take 5 here. Gonna take a minute probably.
Café con canela, perfecto, sí. Esta crema es de vainilla y ya tiene azúcar y esta otra es original. Ok, gracias. Quiero ordenar huevos con jamón. Huevos con jamón. Pero sí puedo agarrar un pedazo de bistec, si se puede. Si no, está bien. Gracias, señor. Gracias. ¿Y su nombre? Juan, para servirte. Samuel. Mucho gusto. Ándale, la especialidad de aquí son chilaquiles. ¿Oh, sí? Sí. ¿Se recomienda ese mejor? No, pero puede ser algo así. Sí, perfecto, sí. Esta ya tiene un poco de azúcar, y si tú quieres poner más azúcar aquí. Y esta, acuérdate que esta tiene azúcar. Okay. Es vainilla. Gracias, señor. Está bien rico. Oh, gracias.
God, bro, I'm just watching. I love watching these Instagram and TikTok videos and shorts and stuff of people going to like little like family-owned restaurants and stuff, or like food trucks and like farmers markets. God, bro, the food looks so good. Oh my god, the food looks gas, bro. All right. 3 seconds. We kind of close not very great, I would say, but not like disgustingly horrible, you feel me? I'm gonna draw this down just to this high because I get the feeling that if we come back up to that high, I'm just gonna get stopped out regardless because my account size is too small. So we're gonna pull just down to that for both. Back to it.
Me encantó mucho. Gracias, señor. Sí, gracias. Oh, gracias, señor. ¿Qué me gusta ayudar? Y también el pan. Seguro. Seguro que no me queda. Y gracias por su atención y el excelente servicio.
Oh, what a pullback of doom, death, and despair. Looking at this, it might pull back to take out that high and then push lower, which I would not like at all. I wish I could just open both at once. Okay. This is really rough. This is extremely rough, I'm not gonna lie. This account I'm going to break even. Just because I think there's potential that we do Yeah, take out this high here. I'm actually just going to close out here too. And then I'm going to sell 10 here. No. Cancel. Sell 10 here, stop loss here. Same with this one. Let's sell 10. Why can I not? Alright, bro. Whatever. That definitely closed me out for a little bit less. Oh, wow. And then the other account gets closed out too. I don't even know because it's just so close to that high. We'll see how it reacts off of this. Yeah, it seems to be going back and forth. We're just gonna wait for this candle to close. God, bro, it's just edging my other account. See, that's the thing. It's just really tough to determine because all the markets are again doing really different things right now. This one has a small stop, that's why I didn't get in. This one's about to get TP. I didn't get in on this account purely because I have a super small stop, so I was afraid we get stopped there, and that's like half of what my stop is currently at. So I would wait for a much better position to enter in, which is anything that comes back up to retrace this level, this leg right here. I think that's almost TP. TP's like right here. Yeah. Okay, anything that can retrace for me here to fill in this gap or at least come into the 50% would be nice. That should be TP now. I believe, unless we're edging. Yeah, that's TP. That's good. So on the day, we're up, yep, 1485. A little bit less than I anticipated, but it's good enough. So now I'm only going to be trading this account. The other account is fully locked out. So I can close Tradeovate because I only need this now. It's stressful trading two accounts at once. I'm not going to lie. I was going to say I don't expect it to come back up above this high, but... Oh, I just lost 200 of my stop right there by doing that. Now, realistically, bro, I'm just going to wait a little bit. Because, again, I said I wanted that fair value gap or anything in the 50%. With this type of push into that candle, I feel like we just don't go past this. But I want to wait to see if we at least break below these lows. Because if we break below these lows here and close below them, at least I can understand, hey, that's a change in state of delivery. We're not going to go higher, right? But see, obviously, if we don't break below those lows, we just get moves like this, where we go higher. Just barely outside of the... I'm gonna get rid of execution labels. That's what's really making things hard to see. What I think I will do is if we can come back up to... No, I don't want that one. I want this one. Up to 50% of this order block, I might get in. It's very dependent, though, because of how price is moving. Like, it seems like we kind of just want to consolidate here. I really need to lock in now because my stop loss is 400. I'm going to see if I can target maybe potentially just break even today. Right? And then tomorrow and Thursday, I can definitely go for some profit trades. But as of right now, I kind of just want to get break even on the account because it's really stressful and like really tough to trade with a $400 stop. Ten. That's a really decent bearish close. It really is a decent bearish close, but I want to see some more from it. We're not really seeing crazy movement. Oh, we are seeing pretty decent movement actually. But again, this is just the first 30 minutes of market. Still.
The internet becomes a weapon. Ukraine showed us that. Iran is reminding us of it today. So if you suddenly lost access to the internet tomorrow, how would you communicate with your family and loved ones? This $20 device could be a solution. It's called a Heltec V3.
Very nice bearish close. I would like to see one more. I want to take out these lows because this is really low resistance liquidity versus high resistance liquidity up here. I need us to retrace into the 30-minute leg, the 50% of the 30-minute leg, so that we could actually continue higher. Difficult to gauge this now. Like, I really don't know if we want to go bullish or bearish. We're kind of in a consolidation. See? We're just going back and forth. Yes, yes. Now I need it to close below. If we close below, I'm super strong bearish. If we just leave a wick there, I'm not very strong bearish. Because leaving a wick means we swept liquidity. Leaving a body means we're pushing for liquidity. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay. I'm in it to win it. Make sure I'm on the right account. Pro account. Yep, 25K. Come on, give me a retracement. Come on, man. Give me a retracement of any kind into any liquidity. Please, 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 please. Oh my god, we're just fucking pushing, bro. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. I hate it. I don't like this. This is disgusting. Give me some retracements, man. It sucks because I got the 50% on my evaluation, but I couldn't get anything on the funded so far. What a horrible mistake I made. Into a fair value gap or something, bro. Thank you. Give me a little more. I sense it. I sense it. We're going to tap the other one. I sense it. There we go. And fill it. All right, we don't seem to fill it. Give me a good close. It's a nice close, actually. Oh, what was that sound you just made? She just like, she like fart growled. Mind you, I think this is probably the entirety of my account, this stop. No, it's not. Not even close, actually. Actually, it might be pretty close. 56 times 5. Yeah, it's 250. 200 something. Okay, I need bearishness. I need like a really strong bearish candle now. Or at least to close as a bearish doji. If we close as a bearish doji, that would be nice. We either need a bearish doji or a very strong bearish candle. I'm leaning more towards the bearish doji. And we get a bullish doji. Which, again, is not super horrible either, to be fair. Nice little Pushington. I need to make sure I keep up where my freaking break even is. Close below, close below. Thank you. So far, this week has not been the greatest week for me in terms of trading. We didn't end up closing below. We ended up just taking liquidity, but I don't think it's too rough just because we didn't hit this fair value gap just yet. I think it is a little bit tough because we hit this high, though. Why do we have to always retrace so much? That is so disgusting. I'm just going to close that there. Wow, I only made 400 back? Are we serious? Are we dead ass? Alright, I'm going to continue to wait. Well, actually, no. I'm going to end off the recording here because I need to get ready soon. It's only been 30 minutes, to be fair. I'm going to continue to trade. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to continue to trade still. But I'm break even on the account for today. I want to try to get break even on the week, but it's going to take a minute. I'm going to have to wait a decent amount, and I'm not trying to record the whole thing. So yeah, I'm going to post this, and then in the trade recap later, I will try to post any additional trades that I take. If I don't, I'll just show the P&L because I need to get ready soon in like an hour, and I still need to do some other stuff. Thank God I closed that. Thank God I did. All right, yeah, I will be back later with the trade recap.